Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Delightsome Dolls. When we think about girlish things, the first thing that springs to mind is makeup. So what if we can give our Barbie dolls makeup? Before we get into the video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Take a piece of paper board from a cereal box and draw a rectangle. The length is 3 cm and the breadth is 2 cm. Make a line at the center to fold it in half. You can check the size by placing it on the doll's hand. To add a little depth to the palette, cut 2 extra pieces of paperboard. I think it's a little bit bigger, however I will cut it after pasting it onto the palette. Now glue these together. Make 4 holes using the hole punch. It might be difficult to know the exact place where you have to make the holes, so you can turn the hole punch and then you can make the holes easily. With the help of the scissors, I just made these holes look perfect. Now glue this onto the palette. Cut the excess. I'm going to paint this with some pink, but you can use any other color if you want to. I recommend that you first add color to the holes so you can get a clean finish, because I really find it difficult to fill in the holes. Cut a piece of printed paper and glue it to make it look more attractive. You can also use mirror paper. Just filling these holes by using different nail polishes to make the shades of the palette. My nail polish brush is a bit thick, so I am using a thinner paintbrush. I already told you that do this step before painting the palette pink. To add a little fun, I am applying some glitter nail polish on the back side. Transparent nail polish to add shine. Now I am going to show you how to make lipstick. Take a toothpick and paint it. Cut one end at an angle. Take a black strip of paper, wrap it around. And then cut the excess. Take a gold strip, or you can use any paper and glue it around the lipstick. It's done! Take another toothpick and paint the same shade to make the lip liner. It somewhat looks like a pencil. Paste a black strip of paper on the bottom. And again paste the gold strip. That's it! Do like my video as it will really help me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.